Alam niyo ba guys, hindi lahat ng investment ay pare-pareho. If you're thinking about where to invest your hard-earned money, I'm telling you, investing in leisure lots that are pre-development in Bataan is one of the best decisions I've made, especially when compared to buying a condo in the city. Ngayon kung titingnan natin, ang condo investment syempre, convenience and location ang una mong maiisip. Pero ang condo prices, just like any urban property, may stabilize after a few years. Yes, maganda at high demand. Pero hindi tulad ng leisure lots na pre-development where the value is only increasing. Here's why. While condos are nice, they don't offer the same long-term growth that land in place like this does. Sa leisure lots, habang tumatagal, you're not just getting the basic amenities. You're getting access to a future full of growth and endless opportunities. And let's talk about what these leisure lots offer. Bukod sa beach, may golf course, water theme park, and restaurants. Lahat ng kaya mong pangarapin sa isang vacation spot nandito na. Imagine you and your family spending weekends here, relaxing, playing golf, chilling at the beach, and enjoying food at local restaurants. There's even an infinity pool to top it all off. Hindi lang siya property, it's a lifestyle. Now compare that to a condo. Sure, you get a unit in the city with some amenities, but what happens after a few years? You're still stuck with the same space. Dito sa leisure lots, habang tumatagal, the value of your property will only go up. Here's the deal. In the next few years, with developments like the mall and the airport, you can expect a huge jump in the property value here. As more tourists and investors come in, the demand for the property will continue to rise. And if you own a land here, you're not just investing in a place to live, you're investing in the future. With condos, it's more of a short-term return. But with land, as time goes on, your property only appreciates in value. Imagine this. Hindi lang ito basta-basta property. If you have a family, this is the place where your kids can grow up and create memories. For the future, it's a property that can generate rental income. Think about Airbnb or vacation homes. The value continues to grow over time. Ang condo, okay lang pang short term, pero for long term, leisure lots are where the value grows. And you know what? I've made the decision to invest here, and I'm confident this will pay off. Right now, you're getting in while prices are still affordable. But I'm telling you, once the development's complete, lalo na yung mall at airport, this place is going to be a prime spot for anyone looking for land. So why buy condo that may depreciate when you can invest in a piece of land that will only appreciate as time goes on? Ngayon, if you're looking for a place to invest, this is your chance. Don't wait until the prices rise even more. Visit the leisure lots, check out the pre-selling properties they offer. It's not just an investment, it's a lifestyle and a financial future that only keeps getting better. So if you're ready to take the leap, make sure to check out their Facebook page and message them for more details. I'm glad I made the decision to invest here, and I'm sure you'll be happy too. Trust me, this is the place you'll never regret in investing in. See you at the leisure lots!